Yo. All right. Today is March 4th, 2025. I didn't go over yesterday's trades. I did take quite a bit of trades. I don't know what happened yesterday. I didn't too much feel like myself, but I was patient for the whole beginning, and then I guess FOMO crept in. FOMO crept in. I'm gonna move this clock for now, and we'll go over where FOMO crept in at. Um, so looking at the charts, all right, I realized that okay, maybe we had a level here, price pushed up. I told myself I'd be focusing on just the 5 minute as my entry points for my entries, and I wanted to see price go to and from the level versus I wanted to see price coming from the level versus going to the level. All right, so here it is. I'm trying to pull this up. So it was just a horrible day. All right, down $1,000 on the combine just restarting. All right, this is just the first refresh of the combine. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'll go over the trades that I missed, and I'll go over the trades that I took. All right, and what I was looking for. So the trade that I missed was this one right here. This is the first trade. I saw price push down very nicely, pulled back up, and I saw that we're on a downtrend. All right, this is 47. All right, so 47. I was hoping price would come back up a little higher on NQ. I think that's what I was really hoping for. I was hoping for NQ at least come up to this before it reverses, but NQ just hit VWAP. This one hit VWAP, and that one, you can see it engulfed that candle right there, right? But the 5 minute never closed, so I said, shit, I can't really get in because I want the 5 minute to close. But this would have been the trade that I would have taken. Stop loss would have been right up here. Entry there, 6 points. Aiming for down here at the 50, so 16 points. All right, and I'm looking at it. I said, shoot, I want to enter, and then this price is vomited down without me. And I said, okay, well, I missed that trade. We're already down more than 10 points, and then aiming for down here, right? So that was the first trade that I missed. Everything was good. Everything was red. Red here, right there, right there, right here, right here. So we're in a downtrend, right? Pure downtrend. Nice setup. Could have taken this trade, but I said I wanted to wait. Like I said, I wanted to wait on the 5 minute, but the 5 minute closed way down here. Stop loss up there. So now down here and up there, this is like a 15-point stop loss, which is a lot. And there goes my level being hit. That's just what I wanted. I would have been done right there with that one trade for 16 points. Price bounced around, and then now I'm looking at, okay, we have a buying area right here. We had this and that. Price held, and then I noticed late that, oh, we were really holding this, and then price moved up. All right, so that sucks because this would have been the entry right here. Let's move back a little bit. Right there could have been the entry at 20. Boom. Right, entry could have been there at 20. But I had a better entry when price broke this here, right? So we don't know where it's buying it, but we can see buyings coming in. So I could have entered there, stop loss down here because this is a strong absorption. The buying volume was pretty large here, and that could have been an entry right over here at 59.53. Stop loss maybe right under it at 45, right about 9 points. Price eventually kept climbing. Price came back down. I thought about re-entering here. Goal is to go up here to 59.80. Sucks because price worked out very nicely because you had a strong push, came back down, right? It's not really giving me any of the candle structures I really wanted, right? I wanted price to be closer to my levels, but I don't think price really gives a damn about what I want. All right, and for some reason it gave up there, and I can see that, oh, we had an RSI. So that's when I build my levels around this yellow absorption and this RSI, saying, hey, I think price is creating this level. Now this is where my trades are actually going to come in, my actual physical trades around 1241, 1245. All right, so we came up here, nice rejection. I don't see anything yet for me to enter. I see a strong sell up here. Okay, whatever. I see that we have to buy down there, and mind you that we're still in a downtrend here. I'm going to throw the 1 hour in here more than likely. Okay, I see buying. There it is. Okay, so I saw buying on oh, 41. I saw buying on the 30-minute, but we're in the selling area, and I said, well, you know what, screw it, we're probably gonna break through, and that's my problem. I said we're probably gonna break through, but look at the buying not breaking through. And then I added to the trade right here. So I did 1 micro, 1 mini. So I said, okay, look like price is going to go, like we had an uptrend right into it. Right, and then I exit the trade right about here, where I said, oh shoot, this is not working out, which is the 250 and the 25, right? 10, 20. So about 5-point loss on both of these. Okay, so I said, okay, screw it, it's not working out. I exit because this turned pink, this turned red, or whatever this color is, purple, for sell. This one here, this is my entry that I should have had, because after that, price tanked. Right, price was just on the strong downtrend. I was hoping for price to come back up here to retest. I was hoping for something, and then I took another trade at 1249. Right here to go long, because there's nowhere to, yeah, try 49 to go long here. I said, okay, maybe price is bouncing off of, you know, holding this area where buying was, right? But we're still selling, and we're below everything. We're below the EMAs. I said, sure, let's go long again. We're holding the absorption. Looks like it wanted to work out, but I exited the trade at 50 because I said it's not working out. All right, that one ended up being a big loss, about 4 points. 510, nope, 510, 20, yeah, about, yeah. So I should have just been short. All right, after I was short here, after I would have been short here, I would have been fine because this set up for everything to be short. So price really sold off. Next trade came at 1345 short. All right, now I'm just chasing shorts. As you can see, so I don't even know that that trade even got registered. 1345. 1345.04. Here should have been the trade. I'm not sure what happened. Why did I close it out? I don't even know what happened. No, this is not 1345. This is 1335. 13. Okay, here it is. 1345. All right. So here I said, okay, let's look for a short. 1345.04. All right. And then something felt weird. Look how price is just pushing up. I said, oh no, this doesn't look good. So I took the trade off, and then it pushes down. And then I tried again at 1346. I said, okay, maybe now and then that happened. I said, that happened. I had exit the trade because something felt weird. don't even know how to explain it. Something felt weird. 1345, 46, re-entered. My mouse 4801, right? I said, what is going on here? 48, oh, right here. So something felt weird. I just exited the trade. I don't know how to explain it. Then that happened. The minute I exit at 906, right here. Something felt weird. I just exit the trade, and then that happened immediately. No idea what, and I said, okay, what the fuck was that? So I did enter right there, and then I was up like 300 or 600 bucks, and I should have just for that trade, I should have just exited the trade, but I ended up getting 25 bucks out of that trade. And then I did try one more long. Okay, so I'm kind of remembering most of the day. I tried one more long, and then I ended up getting stopped out, and I said, screw it, it's just not worth it. Price did eventually move up a little bit, and then it sold off. Came like really came up, hit this level here on this little consolidation here on NQ, and then sold off. And after that, price just melted away until the end of the day. All right, just melted away from that area there until the end of the day. So here's what I'm going to do. Since I am not trading well at freaking all, I was mulling it over the entire day. Like my entire day just went horrible. So since I have $1,000 risk loss, I'm gonna go down to 100. I'm only gonna trade micros. All right, I'm only gonna trade micros. I have it up, and that's all. And so that gives me a 20-point risk parameter. I'm gonna take every freaking trade that I can take until I create a nice basic setup that I can trust, because I think my trust in my setups is just wavering. It's not, and also impatience sometimes kicks in. So I am going to just work on just that. So $100 loss limit, which is 20 points. So if my trades are going 20 points against me, you know, like this, then I shouldn't be in the trade. Like this should not be a trade I should be taking. Just way too much of risk tolerance. So that's essentially going to be that for me. So I'm going to set up the charts and let's get going. It's 13 minutes in. Let's see if I can knock this out as soon as I can. Okay, so price sold off strongly yesterday. We had a little bit of buying right here at the end. Price sold off again below it. We're going to start clearing a lot of stuff around the charts. Let's go to the 30-minute charts and just start deleting everything that price destroyed yesterday. And overnight session, everything is no longer needed. I don't even care about these weeklies no more because they're not being respected. None of this is being respected. All of this can go. This might stay. I don't know where VIX is going. So the goal is for we're back at election gap, which is crazy. I'm gonna keep that up for a minute. I want to see what's going on there. The goal now is to make sure that before I enter, I have confluence on both ES and NQ and in VIX. I cannot just have just an ES confirmation. I've been doing good when I have a NQ and ES confirmation, but I don't want to neglect VIX. I want to make sure that VIX is at a level. Whenever VIX is at an actual level, price works out pretty well. Looks like we try to bounce off of this thing here. All right, let's go to 4 hour daily, weekly. Wow. So this here. So we did bounce off of it a little bit. I'm going to get rid of it because I don't trade it. Alright. election was somewhere around here where we gapped up at. Look like we're coming back down towards it. Bring the clock back forward so I can see what I'm doing, working with. Okay, so let's try to make this before 50. Alright, so let's get to it. I want to see this one. I want to see it on the weekly. Oh, now you pop up and show your head. So this was, I think election was somewhere around here. Gapped. Alright. So I'm mostly going to probably just be dealing with whatever I can get from these charts. I may have to go back in November to look for some stuff because this is a lot more than I expected. Alright, let's go to the 30-minute. You zoom out. Let's go to the 1 hour. Alright, let's go back to the 30-minute. I'm gonna just need more days added to it. It's not helpful at all. Alright, so we're just gonna just be doing a lot of deleting. All of this can go. I don't want any of this here. Alright, all of this can go. Alright. This can go. Okay. Just gonna delete everything here. And I mean delete everything. Start fresh. Deleting all of this. Start fresh. Let's go to okay. Alright, start fresh. Okay. Let's see this on a weekly. Okay, we're definitely going to, I'm going to just separate this now. Let's just detach. I'm going to put it on its own screen. Because it's just not going to work out. Alright, so it's going to take a little bit more time. Alright. And then this one can go. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so you can see that we are going toward the level on VIX daily. Okay. I need this weekly to be, I need these time frames here to be a lot more than just gonna have to just have them like that. I'm just gonna need as much time as I can. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay. About 4 hour. One hour. Okay, we got this here. We got this one right here. And we got this right here. Okay. We got no. Let's go to 30-minute. Okay. So we got selling, buying, selling, selling, buying, selling. Alright. So got absorption. That's up there. Okay. So we got this here. Got this here. Followed by this here. We also have this one right here. And we got this one right here. Okay. So we got this one here. Followed by so this one right here. This one right there. And now which ones match with VIX? Got this one right here. This one right there. And then we also got this one right here. Alright, okay. Alright, let's go to 15-minute. Go from left to right. Alright, so we got this absorption, but price kind of closed way below it. Okay, so we got this right here. Got this fell by, but price kind of destroyed it. Got this weird absorption right here. like this. Then I'm gonna mark these two. Mark them over here too. Then we're gonna go to fix. Alright, let's go to the 5 minute. I don't see anything. We do have this though. Also have this one. Do we have it there? So here. Alright, so we're gonna mark it. Go back to the 15-minute and do that absorption candle. So I'm a little over with time. How much time have I been doing this recording for? 33 minutes. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna wrap it up. I will keep an eye on these levels here. I will just mark them with just the regular standard lines. They're just too big. Um, 30-minute. I'm going to mark this failed buy attempt. Okay. So that's essentially it. Alright, that's essentially it. Alright, let's add settlement price, go over news, and then call it a day. No news. And then yesterday I realized I had the wrong earnings report up. So this is the earnings report. There were nothing here of importance. So Nvidia, I think I said was there, but nothing is important here anymore. Okay, settlement price, and then I'm gonna close it out the charts, and then I'm going to set up my charts for how I need them to be to see what ES, NNQ, and VIX are doing on a 5-minute chart. Alright, so that's it for me. Way over time. I'm not going to be doing this again. Looks like my charts needs, my whole computer needs to be restarted because it's acting very slow right now. Very. Is it my mouse? Okay, maybe it's the mouse. Alright, so that's it for me for today. I'm going to restart the computer.